All right, so we're going to try this Coca-Cola Spiced. Now, this is the zero because I'm sure it's bad enough without sugar. Panther is going to help, but I promise you he's not going to drink it. We've seen the commercials for this, but I still have no idea what it is. Any guess?
No idea.
It doesn't even say on the label. All it says is spiced. It's got some purple on the label that tells me it's probably got some weird artificial fruit flavor. Oh, yeah. So it smells like...
I can smell it from here.
I don't even know how to explain it. It kind of smells like really sugary licorice candy, something of that. You know, it's got that weird...
It smells... It kind of smells like packets of Minute Maid lemonade.
Yeah, it kind of does. Yeah, it kind of does. Oh, wow. Especially with the bubbles at your nose. Color looks like Coke. A little lighter, almost like tea. That's an interesting smell. It's if you've ever had a Captain Morgan and Coke and it has that weird after smell, for lack of a better word, there's kind of that, but there's a sweetness in it that smells like artificial fruit or candy or something. Yeah, I'm not a fan. It's to me, it tastes like flat Coke with some phony flavoring in it, and it's got that kind of a vanilla spice on the end, but I can't tell you what that other flavor is. I heard somebody call it raspberry. I wouldn't call that raspberry. I don't really know what it is, but it's like an artificial sweet simulated fruit flavor is the only way I could explain it. Something tells me Panther doesn't want any. I'm not going to go buy any more. Fortunately, I found this at a Quick Trip for $1, which tells you they're trying to get rid of it. Anyway, that's my take. What do you think?
I definitely don't like the color. For one,
it is a little odd.
I want the color of Coke, not watered down Coke.
Yeah.
That tastes wrong.
It's a no for me. Dog. Cat. Till next time, eat fabulous and don't drink this.